Hello, beautiful people. We look forward to welcoming you into a life-changing experience in which you'll become more aware of how to reintegrate fragmented parts of yourself. Our holistic retreat is scenically located in the heart of Big Bear, California, and attracting the most intrinsic and uplifting guest speakers, healers, and experts. As our client attending, you will learn to experience and utilize various approaches and modalities to health and wellness. For more information, stay tuned for our healers.
Because in life, there are all these things going on. It's very turbulent all the time. But when I sit down to play my music and I take a breath, all that noise and all that stuff going on, it just kind of like goes into this single point. That silent eye in the center of everything, and in that place there's so much power because you're not limited to anything, and it just makes me feel I feel a whole transformation in my physical body. You know, when I'm thinking a lot and I'm stressing out, I have these aches in my body and my body isn't aligned, it's all like messed up. But when I play my music and I relax, then I feel so much better. There's this sense of peace and tranquility that comes on, and no matter what's going on in the world, I am still in that place of calmness and serenity. And so music is a very powerful tool to find that place within us.
I like to share my artistic background because that's as an art teacher for many years. I love beauty, and it's all of its surprises, and it is that state of beauty that gives us this awe that we will never know everything at once, but we can be surprised by the grand designs we only can barely fathom to understand, and that gives me a deeper faith in the divine. Through art, whether it's through sacred geometry, through the colors, the prismatic colors, through the energy of the person right in front of me, I'm trying to help them to enhance, to understand, to broaden their self-awareness. And if they come out with a piece of art that they can look at over and again, great. Or if they just end up looking in the mirror over and over and they see a more radiant self, a more beautiful self, and they see that in everybody else around them and appreciate the world more, that's really the gift of artistic side. And I'd like to share some of my gifts with you, some of my understandings, and maybe together we can explore things I haven't even thought of, and maybe you haven't either. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing each of you.
Right foot, warrior one, prayer press. Reach the arms up, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, squat into a warrior stance. Twist forward over the right leg and step up to warrior stance crunch. Backs of the hands together. Roll the wrists in a circle. Elbows touch the belly. Crunch into the pulse. Rotating warrior stance. Tree pose. Balance.
You have arrived. We are living longer lives. We are all here on planet Earth. What is your soul's journey? The longest living, healthiest, and happiest people live by these principles. Real foods, spirituality, movement, wholeness, community. Learn to upgrade and uplift your heart, mind, soul, and body so that we can be a beneficial presence on this planet and thus help Mother Earth raise its frequency and all those that surround you. You are unique, beautiful, special, and a magnificent being. Remember who and what you are. You are prosperity and abundance. Begin to embody this in all areas of your life. We are all here on planet Earth. How will you emanate? I'm excited to see what you can become. You are infinite potential. You can heal your life. I see it for you, and it makes me smile. It would be an honor to be a part of your journey, and so it is.
Book now because spots are limited and going quickly. We have payment options, so go ahead and click on book now at mindbodyheartsoulretreat.com.